Are you falling victim to a dirty scheme that hurts your brand? What kind of scheme am I talking about anyway? Well, it's not a Ponzi scheme, it's not a romance scheme, it's not even a Nigerian royalty scheme. Have you guessed it yet? Bad color schemes give a negative first impression on your brand. Did I just quote myself? Who does that? So here's my color scheme for VectorTunes.com. And the important thing to understand here is that what most people do when they're picking colors is they just pick a bunch of pretty colors that they think look good together. And a proper color scheme is actually based on a mathematical algorithm that allows you to pick one or two colors that you like, and then it will find the complementary colors that contrast and or go with that color. So if you want more of the same blue, you can find those, or if you want, a yellow or a gray or some other, red type of color that clashes, it will find the right shades that contrast in the right way so that they're pleasing to the eye. So I'm going to show you a website where I generate my color schemes absolutely free. So this is coolers.co. It's a free website that allows you to generate your own color schemes. All you have to do is go to the website and click Start Generating, and then it takes you to these cool color bars. And all you have to do is hit your space bar, and it's going to automatically change the color scheme to something random every single time. And of course, we don't just want to pick a color scheme at random. Maybe we already have a color that we started with, or we have a color that we like. So in this case, I'm going to pick this kind of puke yellow color here, and I'm going to lock it in. And now what happens is, as I hit the space bar, Coolers is going to find complementary colors that go with this color. Now maybe I decide, I like this pink as well. So I'm going to keep going until I find the scheme that works for me. Now, actually, I kind of like the scheme right here. So what I can do is I can export this as a PDF document, and it gives me all the little color codes for RGB and hex and CMYK and all these different color codes. And I can keep that, and I can give it to a designer, and I can say, when you create something for me, I want you to follow these colors. Or if I'm going to do any kind of print collateral, or I want to do a trade show booth, or I need to redo my logo, or I need to, buttons for my website, I should be picking from these 5 colors and these 5 colors only. As my way of saying thanks for watching this video in its entirety, here is a 20% off coupon for VectorTunes.com. Just use the coupon code COOLERS at checkout to save 20% off your next purchase.